his stuff.
Thank you.
So he was coming down 458. He went through. I don't know if he fell asleep or something. He was coming from Canton Rescue, working night shift over there. Yeah, got recourse on the way.
Okay.
So.
You the driver?
Yes. Are you okay?
No.
Okay, all right.
I think I'm good.
Sit down. Sit down.
God. Ow. Lord.
Are you okay? Are you okay? Stay in the car.
I think I'm fine.
Sorry, smoking. I'm trying to smoke a little. Hold on. Keep her away. Come on. Okay.
Yep.
Look at me.
I'm good.
Okay. Let's get her over on the other side. You guys sit in the car. No, you stay right here. Get her here. Just get her in the back here.
Tu entras na A2.
Sim.
Tu, neste caso,
Começas a descer.
tu, neste caso,
Começas a descer.
começas a descer e entras na A2.
Fucking back up!
È vivo? Il rider?
Porca puttana.
Non arriveremo mai alla fine. Dobbiamo scendere.
Places, they'll cut off key supply routes. The International Labour Organization says the world's economy is not recovering as hoped from the COVID-19 pandemic, with a worse than expected effect on jobs and a growing gap between rich and poor countries. Its projection for hours worked this year is more than 4% lower than before the pandemic. It's the equivalent of losing 125 million full-time jobs. officials say that the recovery is done. The fire is completely.
18-wheeler going the wrong way down southbound 61.
On Wednesday, a driver called 911 while recording a semi traveling north in the southbound lanes of Highway 61 near Troy, Missouri. Sergeant Dallas Thompson is with the Missouri State Highway Patrol.
Was glad that someone saw this yesterday and called it in to try to get resources there to get the vehicle stopped.
The truck eventually crossed over the median and started driving in the right direction without anyone getting hurt. Troopers then caught up with the driver.
He had a valid commercial driver's license from the state of Minnesota.
But the driver failed a roadside inspection and could not pass a test for English proficiency.
During that test, the trooper noticed that he wasn't able to read and comprehend the road signs. At the completion of that inspection, the driver was placed out of service.
A second driver had to complete the journey for that driver. The VP of the company that owns the trailer being hauled tells First Alert 4 the driver is not an employee or contractor of Taylor Trucking Lines. He is a contractor for cargo transportation. The driver was fired shortly after the video was seen. No one answered my call to cargo transportation, but I did speak with veteran truck driver and driving instructor Darren Cunningham about the situation.
It's very frightening because these trucks carrying 80,000 pounds, you can hurt a lot of people.
I asked him how someone who can't read road signs would be allowed the responsibility of driving a truck.
Yes, there's a lot of schools out here that are not doing their job right. They're just looking at the money for it, but they're not looking at the safety of the people. And that's the problem right there.
The report on this incident will be forwarded to federal authorities. Reporting live, I'm Russell Kinsall, First Alert 4.
A scary incident, no doubt. Russell, thank you.
Da tutte altre parti. Oggi cavolo, lo di bianco lui è detto. È vivo? Ma chi? Il rider?
Porca puttana.
Non arriveremo mai a dobbiamo scendere.
How much signal I need to cut across 8 lane? None? I turn now. Good luck, everybody else.
চুরি করস না মার্ডার করস টান দেন টান দেন টান দেন টান দেন টান দেন টাকাই টাকাই টান দেন টান দেন গাছ ফলাই দিস হাই হাই অন্য বুঝে ওই গাড়ির ইয়ে ফোন দাও গাড়ির নাম্বার আছে না ফোন দাও তো 5 লাখ দিন যাবে আল্লাহু আলা কুল্লি শাইইন কাদির
You know, I thought it would go up higher in like Weber. Oh shit.
Starting 911 call. To cancel, press the 911 button on the mirror.
Are you fine?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Calling 911.
Hold on a minute.
God damn it. You fucking cunt. The fuck was that shit?
Oh shit.